Alright man, I'm going to change our rear view camera for this 2013 Explorer. These are the tools you need. You know, something to pry open. You'll see, pry the tab. You need a 10mm socket. You'll need a 11mm socket and a T20 hex remover, screw remover. So here on the truck, on the Explorer, you're going to remove, let's see, this one here. That's going to be your 11mm. Come over to this side and you're gonna need it right here too. It's 11mm. Remove those two first. Then you're going to remove these four. This one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. Now, once you remove this one here on the edge, then you can just kind of pull this tab here. You can slip in the little that little paint can opener tool, or if you have any of those little plastic pry bars, you can just kind of get, you'll be able to get in here and you'll pop. There's two snaps here that are attached, and once you pop those off, come over to this side, pop this one, it'll all come off. You'll pull this, flip it over, it'll still be connected because there's electrical cables that are all attached here. Then you're gonna need the little T20 hex screw for the back of this. There's a little plastic tab, it looks kind of funny, but you'll see the screw right there. You'll undo the screw, and then you'll pull that little tab out, and then the camera's underneath. Then you have to kind of unsnap and wiggle that camera out of there, unclip it, put the new one in, and then put it all back together. It's super simple. Shouldn't take you more than like 5-10 minutes. And the problems I was having with this Explorer with the rear camera was I was getting the mirror image. I was also getting it would stop working completely. Just black out, and also I would get a fuzzy screen, and then the guidelines would disappear sometimes. So it was just like a whole bunch of issues that I was having, and but yeah, now it's working perfectly fine. I'll go inside and turn it up, close the hatchback here. And then we're going to start it up. Let's see. It's all there. So this is what was happening. We'd just get a black screen and it would go away, and it just wouldn't work. But now it's working.